Hey guys, and welcome back to Cryptology. In today's episode, we're going to show you a little overview of one of my favorite apps, the Rarible app. We're going to show you the basics of setting up a profile, navigating the menus, and things like that. Let's get started. Alright guys, so first of all, you're going to want to download the MetaMask wallet, get it set all up, make sure your seed phrase is secure and safe. After that, just go to the hamburger button in the top left corner, go to your browser, type in rarible.com. You'll see this is the home page. You can now browse all the auctions, collections, etc., etc. But if you want to set up a profile, you just go over to this button here, click this, go to My Items. It'll show you your current profile. You can push Edit Profile, put in a display name. We're going to put in Match Blocks. Then you can make a custom URL. So basically, if anybody searches, types in this URL, they'll go straight to your page. And you can put a little bio about your page. You can also link your Twitter account. If this is successfully linked, people will trust you more. It'll verify that you're a real person. You can link your personal site or portfolio. And you can also put in your email. Like say if you get a bid or a sale, you'll be directly emailed, notified. That's very handy if you're actually wanting to sell stuff. They also have a verification tool. This takes a while. I'm still not even verified myself, but in the future, if you start really knocking it out, making sales, doing well, you can become verified, and it'll put a check mark next to your name. I also recommend uploading a profile picture. That just helps people to see your page much easier. We're going to put this Lambo one in here. Now you just push update profile. Now your cool profile picture will show up. People will see your profile and they will take it more seriously in the marketplace. Now we're going to go over all the menus and buttons you can access. I'm going to switch over to my other profile for this one. Okay, so we have the Rari button, which is self-explanatory, takes you to the main menu. You have the search button. You can search for anything with that button. You have the little spark button that shows you all your notifications if you receive Rari, if you got bids, etc., etc. As far as the Rari, just by buying, selling, and being active in the community, you get a weekly Rari airdrop, which is basically free money just for using the platform. I've received a lot of money back for the ones I've sold and bought. Here's the main menu tab. You can use this to navigate throughout the site. You can explore, you can look at your items, see who you're following, check your activity, see how it works, and various other community activities. I use the activity one the most, just so I can see if people are liking my artworks, people are following me, etc., etc. This button over here with my face, that shows you your total balance, which I don't have much in here right now. You can see your regular balance, your bidding balance, which is wrapped Ethereum. You can also push this little squiggly button here, and you can directly convert Ethereum into wrapped Ethereum for future bidding if you want to do that. That's just a cool little tool. Now we're going to go to our main profile. We're going to take a look at this, give you some insight. So we have the on sale button, we have the owned button. You can see what you've created, what you've liked, your activity, who you're following, who's following you, and also the hidden things. So you can keep your private artwork hidden from the naked eye. The way you do that is if you click on a piece of artwork, click this little bubble button. You can then push hide from owned, and it'll immediately hide that piece of art. If you ever want to share your profile link, you can push this little button here. You can share it to all the major social media networks or email it. And I'd say that's pretty much an overview of your profile. Other than this here, this little gear, you can put a cover photo just to make it look a little cooler, you know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's an overview. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell NFTs. We're also going to show you how to create them in a future video after that. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a wonderful day.